Well, this video is to show you why you don't want to clean your mirror or your focusing screen. Well, I wanted to clean them and then I scratched by mistake the focusing screen. This is the old one. If you look here, I don't think no, you can see actually. If you look, it's scratched. And yeah, I bought new ones and I put them. So this thing is very sensitive. It's a plastic thing, but it's very sensitive. So be careful when you want to clean it. And it's better not to clean it. It's better to blow on it by blower or to change it. And this is how you change your focusing screen. First, you remove these two screws here, and then you take out this. You put it here somewhere carefully, and then you see this small thing, you push it a little bit to the front, and then you take it up, and then you hold your focusing screen from here, you see, and you take it out. Then you put the new one and you put this back, and be sure of it. Then put back this and back the screws, and it's done. You saw now how much work it needs to do it and how sensitive are these parts. So be careful when you clean your focusing screen.